All right, guys, so the wife just surprised me and bought me two. It's called the Club Dallas Shops, the Club Dallas. I cannot remember the name. I always forget it. But y'all can see the cars behind me. And you got freaking Porsche. Not sure which one it is because Porsche, they all look the same. But this was dope. They had a GT4 here earlier. And this is just the parking lot. So when you get inside, I mean, I ain't show y'all this Porsche. Over here, you got another one, the red one right there. It's beautiful. So yeah, this basically is a gearhead's paradise, guys. So they have brunch here, and they also have a big open warehouse where they have members who store their cars here and things like that. You can come work on their cars here, all type of stuff, man. They can teach you how to work on your car. Not for the public. I ain't gonna say it's not for the public. You gotta have a membership. But I'm talking the cars inside. Y'all are getting ready to see here in a sec. I'm talking we got McLarens, ZR1s, Hellcats, motorcycle collections, like a whole bunch of stuff, man. So it's a very tailored place for gearheads. I'm excited. Thanks for the wifey for bringing me here. I've been wanting to come for a long, long time now. So let's go ahead and head inside and check it out. That dude Cotty, that red and white one up here, I'm telling you, it's sexy. It's an old school one, yeah. It's really clean though. That joint right there, this joint. Any Ventador. 570, yes. This story, yeah, you good, bro. Y'all know. Porsche Coupe. Got some more bikes over here. You say what? Prius. Ooh, another Ducati. Ooh. Playing right there to start it up. Right. You see this car though? Beauty. Sheesh. Gotta get you. Oh, they got a Hellcat. This one I want right here, man. The Hellcat. Let's put this on here, guys. So, wife put it all together. She surprised me with this. Y'all shout her out. But man, they got a Hellcat. What y'all want to see this? I know. Y'all want to see this on the channel, guys? Look at this joint. Ooh, I want one so bad. Oh, the Hellcat. That's a Hellcat, though. Oh, damn. This is dope. You hear me? I mean, God, they got cars here for days. A nice car. Look at this black Porsche. Jeez. My goodness. Man, look at this, guys. They got the CBR RRRSP. I rode this bike before, actually. I can get this one. Jeez. Man, this joint is hard. Turbo Porsche. Look at this. Jeez. This is a MotoGP bike. This is full accuracy also. Jeez. 2022 GT500 with the carbon wheels. Look at that. Yeah, man, this is the Shelby one. Yes, sir. This thing is, I think that's a GC350 right here. This is GT350. This car. Look at this joint right here. This is beautiful too. I'm talking, God, this is dope. This is hella dope. Yes, sir. Do it again. I said, do it again. Look at carbon wheels on this shit. Look at the wheels. Sheesh. 78 volt. This is what I wanted. GT350. You getting a shot. It look good when the woman in the shot in the video anyway. This is dope. This thing just shut off, man. It sounded ridiculous, guys. This thing is gorgeous too. It is beautiful. Like a lot of these guys, the paint don't even be. Look how wide this thing is.
Exactly.
Hey babe, look how wide this thing is. Look how wide it is from the front. Like, look how wide. Like, it's just wide. Like the front end just look wider than my truck. Oh, she in there getting it. This is dope. It's a Bugatti. That show speed, huh? Mm-hmm. That thing is clean, man. Aston Martin. This thing is clean. It's old. 47 Bugatti's race car.
I actually really like those
Jaguars.
that sandwich it, but no one ever sees either of those.
They just see that.
All they see is bright blue. I call this the pimp.
Big caddy.
One of my personal favorites, this one too. 78 XL. The only thing not original on this car are the wheels. They actually got taken this weekend to get powder coated. So we're trying to get everything on here. It had a full tank on.
63 T-Bird with a rose beige interior. I ain't never seen this color on a car ever.
It's pretty. Careful when you walk around this car right here.
It's a Porsche.
It's not going to stay here permanently.
It's like one of
63 Porsche 356, which I mean, when you think about a classic car. Just be very careful when you walk by this car, buddy. You're on your phone, so I don't want you to hit this car. So your shoe is untied, so please don't fall on the car.
El Camino. I ain't never seen one look like this though.
These are probably
Nice with the wheels.
running, so we keep it here so that it's easy to push in and out of the service area. So after delivered, you can reserve the lift space, use all of our tools, and do all the work yourself if you like. So we also have technicians on staff, so you can pay us to teach you how to work on something, help you, or you can just drop it off and say, charge my car until we know it's ready.
This thing right here is a piece of charger or channel. This thing is clean, boy. Look at that SRT. Man, this is a dope area. So I think these are like super exclusive. Like, look at that. It's just dope. Sheesh.
This is a pretty special car too. 66 Bell, is actually the original paint on this car.
Sheesh. 66 Bell. This is dope. I love this sign right here, guys. It's dope. Look at this Jeep. Big wheel, big tires. Man, these cars, the paint is so pretty.
They're making progress on this. It was not running for a while, and now it is.
That's nice. Yeah, this thing is, that thing is gorgeous.
Right-hand drive too.
Oh yeah, it is. It's
Just
cool.
imagine Queen of England every time I look at this car.
Ooh, this is nice too.
So 55 Duretti Swallow, British manufacturer that only made 276 cars. Kind of started because some Triumph engineers wanted to go off and do their own thing. So this originally had a TR2 engine in it.
Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Like that. This is pretty too.
Thinking only around 150 of these actually survived.
Oh wow, look at this.
So it's incredible that we have one in the US in Dallas, Texas at the shop.
All right, only 150 of those survived, guys. It's crazy. GT 500, another Porsche. Sheesh. Tons of bikes over here, man. Got a Road Glide. That's what I'm looking at. They got an S1000 over there. Which one you think between that, or the Hellcat? I said that, or the Hellcat. I gave you three.
It's not completely the same.
It is. I know. Car or the bikes. You gonna help me pay for it? Look at this right here with the 4Gs. This is clean, boy. I didn't know they was this big. like, they're huge. Like, they really are. This is a huge car. All right, so 24s, 22s, 4 Giottos on the feet. This thing is clean, boy. Guys, we got a freaking Nismo GTR. My goodness. Carbon on the front. Carbon. This thing is so clean. How do y'all feel about these, man? The wheels. Nismo. Yeah, it's clean. Got an AMG right here. I'm gonna show y'all the schools over here. Yeah, anyway, this is clean. Stop. Hey guys, so wifey just surprised me with this. Wifey just surprised me with this brunch tour day. What you want to call this? Date day. She did a good job. I've been wanting to come in for a while. So the place is called The Shop. So it's called Derby Dallas. So the place is The Shop Dallas.
The restaurant is called Derby Restaurant.
Yeah. So if y'all want to know, y'all saw the tour. What we just did. So right now, when we sitting out the camera, show y'all, like, you get to eat, we'll show y'all the food, and then you get to sit and look at the cars, man, and the motorcycles. So it's like right up my alley, you feel me? And then, so yeah, this whoever thought of that, yeah, she did a good job. But whoever thought of this idea is a genius, bro. I don't know why. So if you like a gearhead, basically, this is like the place for you, man. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all the food, and then like our view when all that gets here. But yeah, y'all clap for wifey in the comments. She did a good job surprising with this.
He guessed the surprise too.
Oh yeah, I did guess it.
I guessed it yesterday, and I was like, "You got an idea?" So he literally named it like spot on. So of course I played it off. I was like, "Oh, I never heard of that. What is it?"
Yeah, she's like,
So he
nah.
explained it. I was like, "Oh, you been trying to go there?" He's like, "Yeah, I was supposed to take it down." So I was like, "Oh,
Yeah,
cool."
yeah. So I did.
He
Yeah,
pulled up. He was like, "Man."
I knew it. So anyway, what gave it away? You like, yeah, girls used to want to do this with guys. So and I like, we eating too. You like, yeah. I know exactly where we going. But anyway, so I'll show y'all the food and everything when it gets here. All right, what do you think? Donuts. They warm. They good. So we got some donut holes. Got some bacon in there too. I got Irish coffee. Real got mimosa. Try this bacon. Yeah, what kind of bacon? What do you think? Yeah, it was good. Man, these are real good. They sweet. They not filled with like so much glaze. Yeah, they're real good. The bacon on the train, boy. Alright, so the food just got here, so I can see, man, and it looks amazing. Ooh, I got some more of that bacon too. The bacon is hidden. Real got the chicken and waffles, of course, with what's called on top. Yeah, man, go look good. Man, this is your view, man. You get to eat this and talk about cars and motorcycles and right back. Got an SVJ right here in front of us, you know. Huh? Yeah. Really just want some more of this bacon, ain't it? Huh? You want some more? Them donuts is fine, but this bacon though, bro. Oh my god. I know. Brielle taking one of my.
One potato, yeah.
And she dipped it. She got the nerve. I'm kidding. I'm messing with you, baby. Anyway, let me take some more of this bacon real quick, man. This bacon is it. It's coming loose. Man, let me get. I want a piece of bacon. I can't film and eat. Get that. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. All right, y'all. I'm gonna eat this. Brielle play gone. I'm telling y'all, this bacon, bro. You can vouch for it. It's so good. It's thick.
We were saying we're looking shy. No offense, you wouldn't expect like a place like this. It's like bomb food.
Man, I'm talking about the food is off the chain, bro. But for real. I've been trying to figure out holding the camera and record this whole time. I figured it out. My last piece of bacon. But anyway, if you're in Dallas or come to Dallas, the shops, you can look up Derby Club or Derby Dallas. It comes up on all of them. I put an Instagram page in there.
We did a tour, that's all, of course. And then if you do a tour and have like lunch or brunch or whatever, they give you a discount on the tour. So.
Yeah. The prices are reasonable too. It's not even crazy. So it's worth it. My plate is big. I'm full, honestly. I really am full.
Have like 2 roasters still sitting on the wood.
Yeah, you still sitting on the wood.
$5.
Yeah. You get a pretty good sized portion of food. But yeah.